Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Chrome sign in can't click on page. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, first what you could try to do is disable some extensions. So some extensions can interfere with pages. So to access the extensions tab, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, you will have the extensions. Now, here on the extensions, you could just simply go for manage extensions. Now, from here, you could just simply turn off any extensions that are currently turned on, and mostly this can fix your issue. And now, what you could try to do as well is you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you could just simply go for the settings tab over here. Now, here on the settings, you could use the search bar at the top and search for acceleration. So from here, you will have an option, use graphics acceleration when available. So make sure to turn this off and just simply relaunch your Google Chrome to apply the changes. And mostly, this can fix your issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and create a new Chrome profile, because sometimes a corrupted profile can cause this. And by creating a new profile, you should be able to see if the Chrome profile is the problem or the Chrome itself. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.